Hi all. So today in this video, we are going to see about JavaDoc. So JavaDoc is a special tool that is packaged with the JDK file. So it is used to generate the code documentation of the Java source code in HTML format. In simple words, we can say that it is a documentation generator for the Java language, which is given us by Sun Microsystems. So this tool uses the doc comments format to the document Java classes. For example, in IDEs like Eclipse and NetBeans, they all have their own inbuilt JavaDoc tool to generate the HTML documentation. The only thing we have to do is we have to insert the JavaDoc command lines in our program. It also provides the API that creates the doclets and taglets so that we can use to analyze the structure of any Java application. What is the advantage of using this JavaDoc is it will not affect the performance of the program, so that it will be very much usable for the programmers to insert into their codes. And then writing the commands in the program and then using the JavaDoc to document it, it helps the programmer to understand the codes very easily. Clear? So this is about the JavaDoc. Now we are going to see what is JavaDoc tags. So this tags, we have various tags in Java, but we are going to mainly see only these both two, that is block tags and inline tags. These are both are case sensitive, which is used to generate a well-formatted API from the source code. It will be starting with the symbol of @ so that inline tags can be placed anywhere in the document and it can be used by the programmer anytime in the program. Now let's see how we are going to generate a Java documentation file. So to create this Java doc, we no need to compile the Java file. We have two methods to create this Java doc. One is using the command line. Next one is using the tool from any Java IDEs. Here we are going to see about the Eclipse. And let me share the Eclipse workspace. So here, let me go through the steps to create this Java doc. So first thing is you have to go to the file and you have to export. So here you can see the Java file. So you have to export it and here you have the Java doc. So give next and you can choose any one of the program, that is you can choose any project or package and select the classes that you want to be included in Java doc. So let me choose the interfaces and expand it and expand it. So we have this interfaces Java program. So, and then we have to create the visibility. Normally it will be set it to public. If you wish, you can change it to any other thing also. And it should be always enabled for the standard doclet form so that you can choose the output where it is supposed to be filled up. So we can browse this and select the output space. Here it is defaultly set to the workspace which we are using in the recent documents. So what is the next step is? So once you have selected this, what you can do is we can go to the finish button. So if you are clicking on this finish button, you will be getting an output and you have to give yes so that a Java file will be created in the program. Clear? Hope you are clear with this program. Let us see in the another video. Thank you. Have a nice day.